everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's do a challenge with my dad. Hope you enjoy this game. Please follow my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.